Hey folks, Jim with RV Tanners. Hey, today I want to resolve a problem with our RV that I bet most of you have too, and you might not know that you have the problem. Most RVs come with what's known as a CH751 key. It's this little guy right here. I bet if you run and grab your RV keys and take a look, you probably have one just like this. I'm standing in our RV storage lot right now, and I'm guessing I could probably open up at least the storage container on most of the RVs in this parking lot, and that kind of bugs me. So I went ahead and I went to a website and picked up a replacement lock. So this one I'm going to put in today. We'll show you how to do that. And then it comes with some different unique keys. They're kind of a round key, so I'm thinking it's going to be easier to get the key in. And I'm not going to allow most people who have an RV access to my storage containers on the RV. So let's jump into it and I'll show you exactly how I'm going to do that. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just take the old lock off. Fairly simple. And then it will pop out the front. Old lock out. Take the new lock here and put it in. The new lock comes with a key lock, so you have to determine which way it turns in order for your locking mechanism to work if you want to turn the key left or right. So you have to determine that ahead of time depending on how you place the locking mechanism. And then start the thread, tighten it back on. Snug. Alright, so then we take our locking mechanism. I will put it in the unlocked position. So the new lock is in. Now I've got the new keys for it. I can simply walk up, put the new lock key in, and now the system's locked. It's a great solution for people who have, might put their RV into a storage facility or even on your property. But if anybody has that key, they can get into your storage compartment, and there's a lot of valuable stuff in there. I'll put a link down below to the website where I picked it up. The nice thing about the website is it's going to give you a printout. It tells you exactly how to measure the depth and then the arm length of your lock, and then how far out it has to reach in order to get behind there and actually lock on the frame. So make sure you go to that website, download their template, take your old lock out, measure it, and order it up. It took about 5-6 days to arrive. Great investment to be able to protect everything that's in this storage compartment. Thanks for watching and have a great day. So if you haven't done so yet, please remember to hit the subscribe button and then hit the little bell so that it reminds you when we post new videos.